Hi everyone, let's install DaVinci Resolve 20 in Windows 11 computer. Open up your browser and type DaVinci Resolve. Hit enter. Click the first link you can see. Now scroll down and here you can see a form. Just fill up this form. Here you can see you can download DaVinci Resolve for macOS, Windows, Linux and iPad. I'm using Windows computer, so I'm going to click here, download Windows. And here you can see it's downloading. It's a 2.8 GB file. It will take time to be downloaded. Well friends, here you can see the download is complete. So I'm going to close it and access downloads. Okay, here in the downloads folder, I have got this DaVinci Resolve installation file and it's a zip file. What I will have to do, just right click on it and here you can see extract all. Just click extract all and I'm going to extract everything here. Just click extract. Now here you can see a unzipped folder. Just get inside it and here you can see the exe file. Just right click on it and hit run as administrator. Okay, click yes. Finally, click install. Click next and check this box and click next. And from here you can change the installation path. I'm going to leave it default and click next. Hit install. Okay, click finish. Click no because I don't want to restart my computer now. And finally, installation complete. Click OK. And I'm going to minimize this guy. And here you can see DaVinci Resolve is installed. Okay, let's open the software. I'm going to type here DaVinci. And here it is. Click on it. Okay. Hit continue here. And just skip and start right now. And DaVinci Resolve 2000 and DaVinci Resolve 20 is opening. Click allow to use this software our network. Click allow. Okay, finally here it is. We could successfully download and install DaVinci Resolve 20 software in Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you, hit the like button and press the subscribe button to get more videos. Thank you.